So hi guys, today we are at Piramal Revanta, Mulund, and I'm going to talk about this project in a very much detail for you to understand it very well before booking your site visit for this particular project. So let's just begin. But before that, in case if you have not subscribed our channel, kindly do so. It is First Ghar and you can just click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon for all the latest notification as we come up with the latest video every week. So now let's talk about this project. Starting with, it's a total 12-acre land parcel which is a freehold land parcel, which is very important because generally in case अगर freehold land parcel नहीं है तो वो एक point हो जाता है जहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सोचते हो property के बारे में, लेना है नहीं लेना है. So it's a freehold land parcel, I'm emphasizing on that, जिसमें 6 towers है. So 50% of the land parcel is in construction and 50% is completely open space. So there will be 6 towers. It is divided in phase 1 and phase 2. So in phase 1 we have delivered already 2 towers. So tower 1 and tower 2 is already delivered. Tower 3 and tower 4 will be delivered by this end of the year. So it's a 47 and 43 story tower, tower number 3 and tower number 4. In this there's a 1 to 7 level of car parking, 1 to 7th. 8th and 9th is your internal amenities, your air conditioned amenities, which includes your indoor games, sauna, spa and all the other amenities. And on the 10th floor there's a clubhouse, there's turf and there's a garden area, sitting area. So this things comes on the 10th floor. So this is how the amenities are been layered in this particular phase, and there's a dedicated clubhouse as well. So there are 50 plus amenities in phase 1. Just like that, there are 50 plus amenities in phase 2 as well. Phase 2 is of total 3 acres land parcel in which there are only 2 towers. So both the towers you have, that is tower number 5 and tower number 6. The height of the tower is, it's a 37 story tower, and the unique point about this particular phase is there's a connecting bridge between both the towers, which is like it has the amenities on the 2nd and 3rd level. The glass facade bridge which connects both the tower has the amenities on the 2nd and the 3rd level, which are again your air conditioned amenities like your internal amenities, your kids play area, game zone, all those kind of amenities. And on the 4th level there's an infinity pool. So 2nd and 3rd floor covers your maximum amenities of your particular project, and in this you have a clubhouse as well, right? So phase 1 has a different clubhouse and phase 2 has a different clubhouse and different set of amenities. Apart from that, talking about the connectivity, there are total 3 gates in the project: gate number 1, gate number 2 and gate number 3. So gate number 1 connects you to Goregaon Mulund Link Road, which easily connects you to the western line. If you are going to travel towards the western side, you will be there within 17 minutes of driving distance. And if you take a left, you can get easily connected to Eastern Express Highway and you can connect towards Navi Mumbai or the central, this side of the central line. Okay. So if we go by gate number 2 brings us to LBS Road, and again it is having a nearest metro connectivity. The project has a nearest metro connectivity which will be around say about 500 meters distance. Metro phase 4 which will connect you Thane, Ghatkopar, Sion, Wadala. So then that is the nearest metro station you have. Also this project has the nearest railway station, that is Nahor, which is 700 meters on a distance. Then gate number 3 is also there, which connects you to the internal DP road. So yeah, this is the 3 gate entry access of the project which connects you. So strategically this location is very well planned and very well connected to all the part of Mumbai. So this brings to a conclusion that it has a very good connectivity overall. You will not be congested if you have to connect anywhere, any part of Mumbai when you leave this place to start your day, right? So this is how the connectivity was, and I'm sure you have got all the basic understanding of this project. The highlights are first of all is the location, second is the construction quality, third it's a freehold land parcel, and fourth, the most important thing, that the apartments are very spacious in size. They have bigger units, so if you guys are planning for a bigger homes, then this project is right for you. In this you have got 2.5, 3.5 BHK apartments, but you can also go for, on certain floor you have a Jodi option, that is on the last and the second last floor, wherein you can go for the Jodi of 3+3, 4+4, 2+2, that way. And on the ground plus one you have a duplex kind of an option wherein which is called as a country house. So in case you want to know about that also, you can call on the given number or you can visit the site. So let's see the lobby and the sample flat of 3 BHK 1192, which is very well designed. Hi, so I'm going to showcase you a 3 BHK apartment, very spacious and opulent in size. The size of this particular apartment is 1192 carpet area. As we enter, we have a very long foyer area which you can beautifully design. The size of this is 4.2 by 9.6. As we enter inside, on the right is our kitchen space. So the size of the kitchen space is 13 by 8. It's really spacious kitchen one can ever have, and this is your proper space for your washing machine. There are two parallel platforms having a very good space between the two platforms. This is how your window will be like. You have a very good sunlight and view while you are cooking inside the kitchen. Then you have a space for the double door fridge on this side, quite very well placed, and on the opposite you can keep your microwave, OTG oven. So that is how beautifully it has been designed. Now let's go and see the living space. So here we are back again in the foyer space. On this side is your dining area and over here is your living space. So the living space comes around to 10.8 by 10.4, but before that let's check out the dining area. So the dining area is very spacious. The size of this is 11.8 by 14.1. See, this is how well designed your dining area comes. You can keep your chairs, sofa, however you want to design it very well. And on this side is your living space. So this is the warmest space of your house where you and your entire family, friends can sit, relax, chill. You know, you can just come here and have your space that is there. And on this side you have a very big wide balcony area. So the size of the balcony is very impressive. You can look for yourself. It is almost 9.1 by 5.2. I will tell you the exact dimension, which is 9.10 by 5.6. So the size of the balcony is really something. And over here you have this glass facade to overlook the view. Either you can go for the city view or for the Sanjay Gandhi National Park view. So this is how you can plan your view of the apartment, either west side or the east side, either the sunrise or the sunset. So yes, this is how the entire layout remains. Now let's go and see the bedroom space. But before that, before entering the bedroom space, let me show you something interesting. If you buy this apartment comes with an additional puja room space. So this size is almost 5 by 2. 5 by 2 का ये जो स्पेस है, यहाँ पे आप प्रॉपरली एक पूजा रूम सेटअप कर सकते हो. वी हैव जस्ट डेकोरेटेड इन दिस वे, बट आइडियली दिस पर्टिकुलर स्पेस इज बीन डिजाइन फॉर अ पूजा रूम. सो काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है ये स्पेस एंड यू कैन यूटिलाइज इट वेरी वेरी वेल. As we come forward from the puja space, we have a common bedroom on my left and on my right is the common bath area. So we'll first check out the common bath area. It comes with all the branded faucets and the finish. So as we come out of that space, we'll be moving towards our first bedroom of the house, that is in the size of 10.6 by 14, and the size is very generous. So this is your foyer area. Generally आपने नोटिस किया होगा कॉमन बेडरूम में foyer space नहीं दिया जाता है, बट ये बेडरूम में खास तौर से आपको दिया गया है foyer space for your privacy, and of course you can do something like that at the entrance which creates an impact. सो साइज़ बहुत ही अच्छी है कंसिडरिंग द कॉमन बेडरूम को टिपिकल कॉमन बेडरूम वाली साइज़ नहीं दी है. 10.6 बाई 14 बहुत ही अच्छी साइज़ है. एंड यहाँ पे आपका प्रॉपर एक बेड आने के बाद भी, किंग साइज़ बेड है ये, वो आने के बाद भी आपको यहाँ पे काफ़ी स्पेस मिलता है मूव अराउंड करने के लिए दोनों साइड ऑफ द बेड पे. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ योर विंडोज़ एंड व्यू लुक्स लाइक. सो ऑन दिस साइड इज़ योर अगेन द वार्डरोब एरिया दैट इज़ बिन केप्ट. सो कॉमन बेडरूम और मास्टर बेडरूम की साइज़ लगभग पूरी सेम रखी गई है. सिर्फ डिफरेंस इतना है कि इसमें अटैच बाथरूम नहीं है और उसमें आपको अटैच बाथरूम मिलेगा. तो ये सुनने में कॉमन बेडरूम है बट ये रियल में कॉमन बेडरूम नहीं है. इसकी साइज़ बहुत स्पेशियस है. As we come out of the common bed area, just next to it is our master bedroom. So master bedroom size is same as I told you, 11 by 14 is the size to be precise. यहाँ से हम enter करेंगे अंदर. काफ़ी गॉर्जियसली डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है और सच में काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पेशियस है. आप खुद आकर के देखिए. बहुत ही इसका लेआउट भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया बिकॉज ये साइड पे आपका जो वार्डरोब है उसके जस्ट बगल में आपका बाथरूम है. तो आपके लिए वो काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट हो जाता है. अगर आप जैसे क्लोथ्स लेके यू कैन जस्ट टेक अ शावर एंड और एल्स यू कैन कम आउट ऑफ द शावर एंड टेक योर क्लोथ्स हाउ एवर इट इज़. काफ़ी ईजीली आप ये कर सकते हो, फंक्शन कर सकते हो इनसाइड द बेडरूम. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द स्पेस लुक्स लाइक ऑल अराउंड द कॉर्नर ऑफ योर बेडरूम. डेकोरेट भी काफ़ी प्रैक्टिकली किया है. यहाँ पे आपका मिरर आ जाता है. यू कैन जस्ट गेट रेडी एंड लीव फॉर द डे. सो नाउ विल बी सीइंग द थर्ड एंड द फाइनल बेडरूम ऑफ द हाउस. बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स चेक आउट द मास्टर बेडरूम. So the master bedroom size remains same. It's 8 by 5. The size of the bathrooms in entire apartment remains the same. So the last and the final bedroom of the house, the size of that is 10.8 by 13.7. Let's check that out. A very vibrant bedroom, very well ventilated. बहुत ही प्यारा डिज़ाइन है. Just hold on, let me show you. अगर आप जैसे ही एंटर करते हो, ये आप जहाँ से आपका डोर है, ये साइड पे आपको प्रॉपर एक वार्डरोब एरिया दिया हुआ है. बहुत ही डिफरेंटली डिज़ाइंड है बेडरूम. यूटिलिटी इसकी बेस्ट है, ज़ीरो वेस्टेज, एब्सोल्युटली ज़ीरो वेस्टेज. एंड ये साइड पे आपका प्रॉपर एक वर्क स्टेशन डेस्क है. मतलब आपका पूरा एक जो दिन भर का एक स्पेस होता है आपका, बिकॉज आपको कॉमन लिविंग एरिया में नहीं बैठना है, आपको आपका प्राइवेट स्पेस चाहिए, तो ये जगह आपके लिए बेस्ट है. एंड यहाँ से आपको पूरी लाइट और पूरा एक व्यू आप एंजॉय कर सकते हो. बहुत ही अच्छा एक एनर्जी देता है बेडरूम के अंदर. एंड सारा स्पेस जो बेडरूम के साइड का है बहुत इंप्रेसिव है. काफ़ी ज़्यादा जगह है, कुछ भी ऐसे कंजेस्टेड नहीं है. एंड अपोजिट टू द बेड आपका आ जाता है बाथ एंड टॉयलेट एरिया. सो ऑन दिस साइड विल सी हाउ इट इज़. द साइज इज सेम ऑफ द बाथरूम, एवरीथिंग सेम, बट लेआउट डिज़ाइनिंग बहुत डिफरेंट लगा मुझे. बहुत पसंद आया ये रूम. तो 1192 को बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने यूटिलाइज़ किया है. लेआउट बहुत ही डिफरेंटली और थॉटफुली बना है. वेरी रेयरली आपको ऐसा लेआउट देखने मिलता है. स्टैंडर्ड टिपिकल लेआउट नहीं था. सच में बहुत प्यारा है, आपको पसंद आएगा. इसके बारे में अगर आपको प्राइसिंग और डिटेल्स और ब्रोशर चाहिए तो दिए हुए नंबर पे आपको कॉल करना है. आप सेल्स मैनेजर से डायरेक्टली बात करिए. जो भी ऑफर्स है, बेनिफिट से आप कॉल पे पूछ सकते हैं. एट द सेम टाइम आपकी साइट विजिट शेड्यूल करवा सकते हैं. सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू कॉल ऑन द गिवन नंबर टू टॉक टू द डायरेक्ट सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. एंड ऑल्सो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिंक पे जाके क्लिक कर सकते हैं वेर यूल गेट द ब्रोशर्स, प्राइसिंग एंड द बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly do so.